Hey guys, this is Alfredo with Alfredo Calva, and I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. Something that me and my wife, my family worked really hard for and finally accomplished our goal. So I want to share with you guys our new accomplishment. I took first place as the world's best repair technician, and now I'm proud to say that I have both categories. I have world's best replacement technician and world's best windshield repair technician. So now I have both titles. I'm really happy. I feel so blessed, and thank you guys for all your support that follow me and send me emails about my videos, about how this is helpful for you guys. I'm really happy it's helpful for you guys, and this is what's coming up next. I'm going to be doing, take a look right here. I'm going to be doing some videos as well on windshield repair. I'm going to share with you guys my techniques. I was kind of saving it for later after I win. Anyways, I want to share with you guys my techniques, but I want to share with you guys something very important. The equipment. I wouldn't have been able to accomplish this if I didn't have the equipment, right? So I use glass weld. This is mine and this is my wife's. By the way, big shout out to my wife. She took 4th place in the windshield repair competition. So we have 1st and 4th in the world, best windshield repair technicians. And thank you, Mommy, for your support. Susan Calva, love you. So this is her repair. She wants to save it because she might compete again. She wants to go for the 1st place, so I'll keep that hidden. This is my windshield repair kit. So I bought the box. All the tools are mostly from glass weld. And I say mostly because there's little things here and that you might see here that you will not find on their website. But anyways, this is my kit. I made the cutouts, everything myself. I pretty much everything you see here, how it fits into the box, I put it together. I use Kaiser foam, and I also use a hot knife to make this nice even shapes. We do long crack repair. So yeah, let me show you. This is what helped me, took the win. ProVac Zoom from Glassweld. Very, very happy. Such an easy tool to use. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing some videos with you on my techniques on windshield repair. As you can see, I have a lot of tools that are so helpful. The resins, I love the resins. I love 2010 and 2020. My pit fills, I have amber. I have different resins that I like to use for different viscosities. Let's see what else. This is the lower level. I have backup. I would want to have backup. Oh, something I want to share with you guys. Very, very helpful to me. So this is like a little sample. That way you could give the customer their expectations, like before and after. So this one, like it shows like it's filled, and it shows what a crack when it's filled, what it looks like. This one is open. So we have different samples of type of brakes that there is. Of course, it's an AS1 glass. Bullseye combination, little things like that makes it so much easier to set up expectations with the customer. I have here to remove moisture. It's getting cold in the morning, so we have to remove the moisture off the glass. I have this mirror that I made myself. It goes into the glass, kind of my logo, and it gets attached. It's a little invention of mine. This goes here, and the really neat thing about it is that you're able to put it on any part of the glass, and then if you need to move it, adjust it. If it's something in the mirror's on the way, you could always get around it. So a neat little tool. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm very excited, and I'm going to share more videos with you guys about windshield repair and windshield replacement. We have been so busy, and just wanted to talk about who I'm very proud of, my mom. She's in heaven now, but she helped me be what I become: clean, organized, hardworking, and honest, and have integrity and ethics on what you do. And thank you, Mom, Emilia. She's in heaven now, and this is you know, to honor you on what you taught me to be like. So yes guys, thank you, and more videos coming up soon, and subscribe, hit like, and God bless, and I love your comments. Thank you.